Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fabulous today. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, it is my very first Boxycharm try-on. I'm going to show you guys what I got in my December box, so if you're interested, just keep watching. My husband got me this for Christmas, so he got me the subscription for Christmas. So excited and happy that he subscribed me to Boxycharm. And I was debating between mixing my products on the try-on with my December and January boxes, but I think I'm just going to show you my December. I kind of went savage on it. This is what I got. Alright, so I'm going to show you real quick what I got in the box. So this is the box of the facial oil. It's the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. And even the box right away, it smells like roses. It smells good. And I got the Tarte Palette, and this is the High Performance Naturals Around Palette. Their packaging is so cute. It's just like your neutrals. This is a perfect palette for like a everyday look. I love it. Eyebrow products. So this is the Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit. Okay, that was a mouthful. Alright, this is the brow product I got, and what I can tell is that these are very light shades for me. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to use this because as you can tell, I don't have light eyebrows. I think I'm gonna put this in my giveaway little goodie box that I'm doing for you guys. So I'm just gonna open it so you guys could see. And it's very light. Not on camera it looks super light, but it's not that light. And then I got a Ciate Marble Light blush, and their packaging is so cute, you guys. It's so pretty. Very pretty blush. Look at that. It's like in my range. Oh, you can't even see the color. Oh, it's a little light pink for me, but I can make it work. I can make it work. I love baked blushes. They're so pretty. I got a Fairytale Storybook Cosmetics palette. They're so adorable. Look at that. The story color of this palette is pretty. You got yellows, transition little beautiful color, and your greens, and a dark, what is it, like a dark gray or dark brown? Oh, it's a dark brown. Wow. I actually thought it was like a dark gray. Love their little theme. And lastly, I got the Aesthetica Pro Series brush cleanser and conditioner. Oh, that's awesome. I can't wait to use this because I really need to clean my brushes, you guys. You have no idea. Okay, so that is all I got for my December box. So right here I got my January box, guys. Oh, so excited. And I do have my foundation. I have my setting powder, my primer, and my eyebrows, because the rest of the face is pretty much in this box. So I believe the theme is breaking the ice. I got a sleepy mask from the brand Glow Recipe. I'm so excited about that. And I got a highlighter, and it looks like a trio bronzer and blush, and a palette, and a mascara. This I'm probably gonna show in a clip towards the end, giving you guys a little bit of feel of how I feel putting it on and stuff like that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish off my face with these products. So we're gonna start with the eyeshadow palette, and this is by Ace Beauty Scarlett Dusk. Ooh, it's a nice feel to the palette. It's rose gold and blue. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my god, you guys. These colors are so stunning. I mean, look at that. So pretty. So I'm going to start putting a little concealer on my eyes to put my shadows. It's awesome that it has a mirror, and it's super lightweight, and the mirror is actually very good. I'm gonna try this orange guy here, this beautiful wine color. These mattes are so beautiful and so buttery, feel like they glide on so well on my hand. That pigmentation payoff on my hand so far, it's so pretty. I know these swatches suck, guys, but look at that color payoff so far. Like, what? So I'm going to start with the color called Lotus, which is this light pink. All right, so we're going to start with this color as my transition shade. These colors are not going to go well with my shirt. So if you see me with another shirt on the next clip, you know why. Okay, so far these are blending so smooth. And the color is very pretty. So as I was saying before the camera called me off, this shadow is blending like a dream. The next color I'm going to do is Bahamas, which is this color right here, a nice cranberry color. I'm just going to go over that transition shade. Ooh, look at that. This video is actually my first filming video of 2020. What? Like, this palette just did that. It's so pretty. Aurora. This color right here. It's a beautiful sheen color. Gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the top. This color is not disappointing me at all. Look at that. I actually joined TikTok, which is, I don't know why I find it so attracting. So many mommies on there that are so funny. Y'all need to check it out. And y'all need to check out my TikTok as well. So my TikTok is just for fun. I wanna do videos on there, like cooking, quick little videos, maybe something with my dog. Oh my god, you guys, I really need to clean my brushes. I'm cleaning as I'm going. I'm cleaning as I'm using. I'm cleaning. Okay, did I just make that up? I need to put that on TikTok. I'm just kidding. Nocturnal, which is a very dark-ish wine. Kind of brown mixed with red. Yeah, look at that color, you guys. I'm just going to put that in the outer corner here. Make it a little bit more deep. I'm loving these colors. They're blending really good, one on top of the other, especially when I swatch them. Like, damn. So now I'm going to use Maui, which is a very corner one here. It's like a very iridescent color. It's so pretty. It has like a pink and a little bit of gold in it. This one right there. I'm going to put that on top. Aurora. Very little fallout. I like it. Okay, so putting this sheen on top of another sheen color, it's going very well. Like the color that I have on the bottom, it's not coming off, like it's not rubbing off. It went on very, very smooth. You know, Felicia? Okay, so now I'm gonna do my inner corner highlight, and I'm gonna do Aruba, which is this color right here. It's like a nice champagne color. Next, I'm gonna do my duo, my blush and bronzer from Wander Beauty. Ooh, these colors are so pretty. Okay. Look at that. Fallout. That is a lot of fallout, guys. A lot. Felicia. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna need to darken this up a little bit. That's the point of the video, to try on things, right? Even if they don't work out. It's actually not bad. Alright, so now I'm gonna try the blush. Oh, that is very pinky. Woo, very pinky. I think it will go well with my shadow. Kinda. I don't know how pigmented it will be on my cheek, so we're gonna do a little bit. Oh, that's not bad. It is a pretty blush though, but it's a little pinky for me, for my taste. This is the Grandedrama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. Wow. It's a pretty thick of a wand, as you can see there. So it's probably going to give me pretty good volume there. All right. Here it goes. You know, you can feel the difference when they're like really wet or really dry. This is actually in between. It honestly feels wet, but at the same time, it feels dry. I am liking this mascara, you guys. It's so pretty. I love it. I've never seen it or heard of it or nothing, but I am loving Too Faced Light Highlighter. Isn't that cute? So I got the shade Canary Diamond, and it's like a pinky goldish, kind of rose gold iridescent color going on there. So actually, I think it's going perfect with my eyeshadow thing that I got going on here. Oh, that is pretty. It's not my cup of tea, but I do like it. I'm not like in love with it, but I like it. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna go through the products that we used and that we received. So I'm gonna start with the palette. I love the packaging, it's so pretty. I love the colors. Gold, rose gold and blue. It's so gorgeous. It's so lightweight. It's definitely travel friendly. Color scheme is so beautiful. Look at that. So they're like so like wine color. And then also on this side it's like your spring and summer colors. Look at that. I mean, they blend so well together. They are so buttery, and the color payoff, look at that. So this palette, it retails for $34.99. Next is the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two blush and bronzer. This guy has a little bit tiny bit of speckles in it, of sparkle in there, just a tiny bit. I think I will like this bronzer. And the blush, it's beautiful as well. It's very pinky. It's really pretty actually, so it gives you that beautiful wake up cheek moment. This retails for $36 even. Our mascara that I am in love with. It's kind of in between, not too wet and not too dry, which is one of my favorite mascaras formula. This retails for $25. Wow. But the one like in the medium size of the Better Than Sex mascara, I feel like the Better Than Sex mascara is their wand, their brush is a little bit more bigger than this one. This one is like in the middle, maybe between them two. I really like it, and I like that it has castor oil in it, so I will definitely keep wearing this one more often. So I love it. All right, and then the last product, well, kind of the last product, it's the highlighter from Too Faced. It's so gorgeous. I mean, whatever they make, well, most of the time, their packaging is so pretty, so gorgeous. But I think I will probably keep wearing it as a topper. Like, I put it on top of the shadow that I already had to enhance it a little bit more, to make it oomph more, and then I added a little bit more on my inner corner. I think I will definitely use it as a topper for shadow or something, or as a shadow. I can't believe I forgot to add some lipstick to my lips during the end of the video almost. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and watching me trying on my semi-first Boxycharm box. Let me know what you got in your December and January box in the comments below. Give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And speaking of subscribing to my channel, I wanted to encourage you guys to help me meet my goal to reach over 1,000 subscribers. I'm actually collecting some goodies to do a giveaway once I hit over 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead and spread the word to your friends and family to subscribe to my channel. Come join me and like my videos. So please help me meet my goal. I'm aiming before Valentine's Day, or around Valentine's Day, or around spring break, around there. So I really hope you help me meet my goal, and I will go ahead and do a giveaway once I reach over 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to check out my TikTok on the bottom link below. So Happy New Year's, guys. I didn't even get to say that. I just wanted to say Happy New Year's, and I really hope your dreams may come true this year. Go after your dreams, follow your God, stay positive, think positive, because that seems to always help. Hang out with positive people and just, you know, stay active, do positive things, and do things that makes you happy. So yeah, I really hope for the best for you guys for 2020. Love you, and don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, loves. I'm choking in my own saliva. I guess that's what happens when you talk too fast. Okay, Ellie, if I can talk.